Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's find day 16 today. Here we go. There's going to be fabric in here. I just know it. Some sort of fabric. I can feel that. Maybe it's an interfacing though, because they've given a few things that have interfacing. So who really knows? Oh, it is. Okay, I'm going to look in here to see if there's something else here. Yes, there is. Okay, because I was like, wait a minute. I just can't have this without instructions. Oh, it's a reusable bowl huggers. I just made me a few of these this last year and I've got a video tutorial on them. So look for that. But this is the instructions. Now what you get is the elastic you need, as well as this is the, it's not PV, what is this called? Splash vinyl fabric. So it's vinyl fabric. Look how cute that red check is. Or plaid. Is this plaid? Anyways, so that's what you need to make your reusable bowl hugger pattern with. Way cute. This was a quick and easy project too. This is not one that you should be afraid of. This actually sews up really quickly. And they're really nice to have on hand. I just have to say that.